Couple guys in first class on a flight from New York to Los Angeles, kinda making small talk, killing time, flirting with the flight attendants. 30,000 feet above, could be Oklahoma. Just a bunch of square cornfields and wheat farms, man, it all looks the same. Miles and miles of back roads and highways connecting little towns with funny names. Who'd wanna live down there in the middle of nowhere? They've never drove through Indiana, met the man who plowed that earth, planted that seed, busted his ass for you and me. Or caught a harvest moon in Kansas. They'd understand why God made those flyover states. I bet that mile-long Santa Fe freight train engineer seen it all, just like that flatbed cowboy stacking U.S. steel on a 3-day haul. Roads and rails under their feet, yeah, that sounds like a first-class seat on the plains of Oklahoma, with a windshield sunset in your eyes like a watercolor painted sky. You think heaven's doors have opened, you'll understand why God made those flyover states. Take a ride across the Badlands and feel that freedom on your face. Breathe in all that open space and meet a girl from Amarillo. You'll understand why God made. You might even wanna plant your stakes in those flyover states. Table, hay in your stable. How about you give thanks tonight with that hick on a tractor getting after that simple life? He's up with the sun, still moving when it goes back down. This world needs a bunch of them busted knuckle small town blue collars, burning them wheels, turning them fields into dollars. Tough as nails come hell or high water. God made the sea, God made the dirt, and knew the world needed people who would work a little harder. So God made the farmer. If there's grain in your shot glass, fast boats got gas. If you got cotton on your back, there's a dust cloud of combines cutting under headlights. Thank God for folks like that. Blue collars, burning them wheels, turning them fields into dollars. Tough as nails come hell or high water. God made the seed, God made the dirt, and knew the world needed people who would work a little harder. tearing up the ground we sowed with corn and beans and greens. And oh, yeah, man, it was hot. And I learned not to beg no more when we drive by that country store, when Grandpa'd say what you need it for. Ain't got nothing, we ain't got. You couldn't tell that old man nothing. He was backwoods to the bone. He said, let me tell you something, boys. If there's something I want, I'll grow my own. Yeah, all I need is G-O-D to bless the seeds I've sown and pray for a little rain. Yeah, my daddy was the same. He showed me as a kid how to live and let live. And if you think you know what's good for me, you don't. I'll grow my own home. As long as schools keep washing brains on how to ride that gravy train and teaching kids that there just ain't no God up in the sky. As long as they say guns are bad and you don't need no mom and dad, and sex is just some fun you have, and love is all a lie. Well, I pray for all those kids you raised on my hard-working dime. But unless you change your crazy ways, you ain't raising mine. I'll grow my own. Yeah, all I need is G-O-D to bless the seeds I've sown and pray for a little rain. Yeah, my daddy was the same. He showed me as a kid how to live and let live. And if you think you know what's good for them, you don't. Man, I'll grow my own home. Yes, I will. Your lips are moving, hell, I can see them. But Mr. Politician, I just don't believe him. You want my money, you want my freedom, you want my rights, but I'm gonna fight like hell to keep them. You want my sweat, you want my blood, you want my daughters and my son. But I'll grow my own. Yeah, all I need is G-O-D to bless the seeds I've sown and pray for a little rain. Yeah, my daddy was the same. He showed me as a kid how to live and let live. And if you think you know what's good for us, you don't. Yeah, the best thing you can do is leave us alone, and I'll grow my own home. Yeah, I'll grow my own home.
Yeah, you and your friends, 10 years old, sneaking beach nut on back in the road. Sell it at market on Saturdays. Halloween, getting lost with the girl in the maze. Throwing cobs at the cars that are passing. Sheriff comes out and you hide and you laugh and praying for the sun, praying for the rain, praying over muffins that your grandma made. And corn in the truck, corn in the field, corn in the bottom of a moonshine still, corn in a kettle, corn in a skillet, corn in a jug, hot damn, you can feel it. Corn for the chicken, corn for the deer, corn for as far as you can see around here. Leaning on a fence in a Carhartt hat with a farmer's tan, saying, man, look at all that corn. Yeah, all that corn. Yeah, ain't no wonder why you love it. You got your first kiss in a barn full of it. Drank your first beer, learned to play guitar at a turn roll party with a tailgate bar. Farmer's field of dreams. Corn in the truck, corn in the field, corn in the bottom of a moonshine still. Corn in a kettle, corn in a skillet, corn in a jug, hot damn, you can feel it. Corn for the chicken, corn for the deer, corn for as far as you can see around here. From the Ohio River to the Northern Platte, every highway, byway, hey, look at all that corn. All that corn. Yeah, corn in a bag that you toss in a hole. Corn on a hook at the end of a pole. Corn popping up at the movie in a bucket. The first you gotta grow it, gotta pick it, gotta shuck it. Corn in the truck, corn in the field, corn in the bottom of a moonshine still. Corn in a kettle, corn in a skillet, corn in a jug, hot damn, you can feel it. Corn for the chicken, corn for the deer, corn for as far as you can see around here. In this song, the way it began, starting with a C and end with an N. Corn, yeah, all that corn. Corn. As we sat on the front porch of that old gray house where I was born and raised, staring at the dusty fields where my daddy worked hard every day, I think it kinda hurt him when I said, Daddy, there's a lot that I don't know. But don't you ever dream about a life where corn don't grow. He just sat there sighing, staring at his favorite coffee cup. I saw a storm of mixed emotion in his eyes when he looked up. He said, son, I know at your age, seems like this old world is turning slow, and you think you'll find the answer to it all where corn don't grow. Hard times are real, there's dusty fields no matter where you go. You may change your mind, 'cause the weeds are high where corn don't grow. I remember feeling guilty when Daddy turned and walked back in the house. I was only 17 back then, but I thought that I knew more than I know now. I can't say he didn't warn me, this city life's a hard road to hoe. Ain't it funny how a dream can turn around where corn don't grow? Hard times are real, there's dusty fields no matter where you go. And you may change your mind, 'cause the weeds are high where corn don't grow. You may change your mind, oh, the weeds are high where corn don't grow.
He gets up before the dawn, packs a lunch and a thermos full of coffee. It's another day in the dusty haze. Those burning rays are wearing down his body. And diesel's worth the price of gold. It's the cheapest grain he's ever sold, but he's still holding on. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls the plow across the ground and sends up another prayer. He says, Lord,